Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to the bedroom here, but whatever. As you can see, we've got some lights going up top and I think it's the same one, so I'm just gonna open this box up and show you guys what it is. This is the KeepSmile, I think is the brand, and it's LED strip lights, and we're gonna check this thing out here. What did I get on my messages? I can't open this. It's made out of like it's plastic, but it's not like the plastic you can like stick your fingernails in for some reason. See? It's stretchy plastic. Boy, they used a good wrapper. Okay, I finally got it broken open. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Okay, so here we go. So I'll tell you in a second if it's the same one by looking at some of the stuff. And this is it here. It opens up, and then we have the remote, and it comes with the power adapter and the KeepSmile remote thingy, and it comes with 2 strips of LEDs. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like up, because we have it up here. And so this is the remote here, and you'll see I'm not facing the thing now. I don't know if it'll work. If I go, I got to move over here. I'm going to move us over here a little bit. And it's huge. Like if you look at it here, it's gone all around this whole room, around the whole top of the room, and then it goes down over here. I'll show you down here. Sorry. So it goes down the corner and then on the floor. So it's huge because it's like 80 feet of this stuff. And so if I could change the color to like red or green or blue or white, you know, so it just makes it totally all the different colors. And so you can see it all kind of behind me up there. There, if I do it that way, green. And then you can do all sorts of different rotations. You can have it going by music, all sorts of different stuff. And so that's it. And so it just sits up with the remote here. And then also I think with the QR code, it let us control it with the phone too, which I'm not even doing with the Bluetooth or anything like that. But it's just cool, and it was super inexpensive and really easy to put up. I mean, you just pull off that sticky stuff and it just goes around the top. I've done some before and the sticky stuff fell down, but these have been up for probably 2 months already now, and they are sticking up, so the tape is definitely good. And I have had to move it a little bit, so like down here I did pull up a little bit, and so you can take it off without it ruining the wall. Too bad. So it didn't pull up any of the paint or anything like that. So it's actually, I don't know what kind of sticky stuff they use, but it seems to work really good. So that is this here, and this is the KeepSmile LED lights. I may put this extra set here now behind some TVs or something like that. I don't even know. Or maybe continue around the bottom of the walls or up the corners. I don't know. I'm just so excited. I want to just give them a try again. And so I got some more, or I may put them in the other room. But that's it. Thanks for watching. The link is in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Bye.